people, welcome to Betty's Kitchen. So today we're going to talk about glowing skin or detox smoothie. We are still on our beauty recipes because according to popular demand you want to know what I do, and I'm still sharing my secrets. So let's get on with it. What I love about this smoothie is it helps you detoxify, hence enhancing the glow of your skin. And for me, I realized that when I stop drinking and I come back to it, I start getting breakouts like spots. So now I take it every day, and because of that I see my skin changing. Like, it's beautiful. I love the way my skin looks now. So it's become my coffee. Every day I use it, every day, no matter what. Like I told you, I have things I do and I rotate. This I do daily. So kale is packed with so much. It's one of the most nutrient packed vegetables you will find. It has vitamin E, vitamin A, vitamin K, potassium. It helps lower your cholesterol, which in the long run helps your heart, so helps lower heart diseases. And I've got spinach. Spinach has almost the same properties as kale. It's good for you, so good for your skin. It gives you potassium, and because it has potassium, vitamin E, vitamin C, all these go to enhance the beauty of your skin. It's always said I have greens. We don't eat enough, so if before you have anything you have this, your body will thank you. Honestly, your skin will thank you. And I've got versus mint. You can add parsley, you can add cilantro. I've got versus mint and rosemary, and these are super herbs. They are good for your skin. And this is celery. Celery helps to detoxify your skin. Put this aside. Why are you doing that? Behave. So I'm adding water, and I use alkaline water. So this is 9.5 alkaline water. And remember, the more alkaline your body is, the more healthy it is. The more acidic, the more prone your body is to diseases. So make sure you always alkaline your body. So I'm going to blend this a bit so we can add the rest. Don't worry, this is just decoration. I'm not going to add it to it. So I puree it. I just want it to create more space. I can use the bigger one, but for some reason I just prefer using this. I'm going to add my romaine, lettuce, and cucumber. You know, cucumber is good for hydration. It hydrates your skin. So this smoothie, trust me, have it, try it for 1 month, and if you come back to thank me, the way your skin will glow, people will start commenting and asking you, what have you been doing? Because your skin will start to glow. And don't we all love that? I use the puree, just a tiny bit, to create more space, so I add the rest of the ingredients. As you can see, I was taking the leaves from this. I washed them so it would drain the water, and I wash with my 11.5. Make sure you wash your fruits and your vegetables really well, because it's normally sprayed with pesticides and insecticides. So if you don't wash it well, you're eating all this into your system and you don't get the real benefits of them. And another thing I've realized is when I get my vegetables and my fruit from the farmers market, they contain less pesticides and insecticides. When you wash it, you get less dirt. So if you've got a local farmer or a farmer's market around you, I'll suggest you shop there, because they don't add a lot of things. In the supermarkets, even though it says organic, still they spray it with these insecticides and pesticides, and if you don't wash it well, then we're not getting the goodness out of these ingredients. So that's another thing to note. So I add a bit of ginger. This is very optional. You can omit it, but when you add it, it adds a whole lot of goodness to it. And as you know, ginger is packed with so much antioxidants and it fights against inflammation. So when you add it, and it's packed with vitamin C and vitamin E, which goes to enhance the glow of the skin. So I'm trying to extract the juice and I'll add it to it. I add all the pits that comes with it because it gives you more fiber. Don't throw it away. Then the banana. So as you can see, this is not very ripe. The more ripe your fruits are, the more alkaline it becomes. So a banana like this will have about 5.6 if you test its alkalinity. This will have about 6.5. So you see the difference. It's so great when it comes to measuring the alkalinity of foods. So it's better to use these, and it's still beautiful. And I add pears to it, and pears are really good, packed with antioxidants. It's good for your gut. So you know, a healthy gut, the more healthy your gut is, the more healthy your body is. So this helps you cleanse your gut. So I add all, and this adds sweetness. Fruit helps beautify your skin. So when I am giving some to my son, I add more fruits. And there's apple. You can add apple, but what I've realized is whenever I add apple, I love apples. I eat apples by themselves and I'm fine. But whenever I add my apples to the smoothie, it makes me bloat. So take note, you can add the apples, but check if you are bloating, then I will suggest you take the apples out. Not everybody reacts that way. You know, I don't believe one size fits all diet. We are very different. So I suggest you get a diary for your health so that you take note of all these things. That's why I was able to realize it's the apple. Got a health diary. And how I use this is anytime I feel anything funny or I react to anything, I list everything down. And as you keep on eliminating, you will find out what your body is reacting to. And if you do this, you will realize what your body likes and what it dislikes. So I don't believe, like I said, in one diet fits all. You can create your own diet to suit your body. And that's when you get the goodness out of the food you eat. So, another tip. I'm going to blend this up again. I could have easily used the bigger one, but normally this is what I use, and I think this is the quantities I use. But for some reason today it's become so much. It's not fitting me. That's why I'm blending in batches, but you can blend just once and it's still the same. It doesn't change anything. So I'm just saying it so that if you can blend once, you can use a bigger one, which I should have. So it's ready. Look at the greenness of it. Beautiful. And this is so good for your skin. And once you have it, within a week, you should see the difference in your skin. Honestly, it's that good. It gives you a glow. And yeah. So, you know me. Let me grab my straw and I will enjoy it. A lot of my friends and my clients who are busy, who have busy schedules, I can't be doing this every day. That's the solution. What you can do is make a big batch whenever you're free, and you can freeze it. So find plastic containers where you can freeze a batch you're going to have. So let's say you're going to have it tomorrow. You take it out of the freezer today and store it in your fridge so that by tomorrow it's stored and you can enjoy your goodness. Remember, your health is your greatest gift. Let your food be your only medicine. Imagine having this every day. It's packed with vitamin C, vitamin E, vitamin A, vitamin K, anti-inflammatory, fights against cholesterol, which is good for your heart, cleanses your gut. So these things, if you are doing this daily, trust me, you wouldn't need medication. So I don't just say it, I mean it. That's what I do. I don't take medication. My food is my medicine because I know my health is my greatest gift and it's mine well, you know? So, and remember that your food can be your fountain. So, till I come your way again next week, take care, eat right, eat healthy. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, hit the notification button so you know first time whenever a new video is uploaded. And leave me comments, let's talk about it. If you've got different ways of making this smoothie, tell me about it. I love reading your comments. They spur me on and they give me more ideas. And I love to take on board any suggestions you have. So till I come your way again,